Hello friends, welcome back to a new video. In this video, I brought a new custom ROM for Redmi 5 Rozi. This ROM is based on MI UI 12.0.3. This is the latest build available for Redmi 5. Let's check the specification. By Xiaomi.eu 12.0.3 stable version. This is a stable version, but in performance this ROM is not stable. Whole specification: Android version 10. You will get the Android version 10 in this ROM. Redmi 5. As you can see, latest security patch 5 July security patch and latest build date model. As you can see, this is the port ROM. Pikachu kernel is installed in this ROM 3.18 1.140. So today we will review this ROM. So we will check all the features of this ROM. Maintain a new OLED blue. This ROM is ported ROM for Redmi 5. All the download link will be in the description, so you must check the description. And the Wi-Fi hotspot is everything is working perfectly fine. As you can see, Geo network is also working, Volt is working, HD is working, Wi-Fi hotspot, each and every feature is working perfectly fine, and Bluetooth is also working. I have already tested, so don't worry. And if I talk about the application, these are the application I have installed in this ROM. Google Camera, I have installed the Google Camera. It is not pre-installed. I have installed it from the Play Store. You can also install it. It works perfectly fine. There is no portrait. It is just a simple camera, and there is only the lens blur normal. As you can see, only that simple one, not portrait, not that the customized modded Google Camera. So if I talk about the lock screen, let's have the always on display, if the always on display is available or not. So there is no always on display. As you can see, double tap to wake is working perfectly fine, and tap fingerprint sensor to wake, as you can see, it works perfectly fine. It is also working, so don't worry, each and every feature is working perfectly. But this ROM is little bit slow in performance, only a little bit, but not the most slow one. And let's have the security and the password. We will check the fingerprint, if the fingerprint is lightning fast or not, or face unlock is lightning fast or not. So let me apply the pin first, then we will check. Vibration is also working, in-call vibration is also working perfectly fine. Fully tested this ROM, so don't worry. We will also check the BGMI performance and Call of Duty performance. And let's check the speed of the fingerprint. Tap, open. As you can see, speed of the fingerprint is also good, so don't worry why there is no voice coming, no sound coming. So now let's check again. Screen lock sound is not coming, maybe it is turned off. And face unlock, let's check the face unlock also, how fast is the face unlock. So now let's check the face unlock. I have tested the face unlock, so don't worry, face unlock speed is also good in this ROM. Fingerprint and the face unlock, both of the security features are working perfectly fine. Now let's check the sound, if the sound is working or not. Sound is working perfectly, there is no problem. Vibration is also working, in-call vibration. Sound effect, let's check the additional setting also. So as you can see, right now it is lagging, sometime it lags. And tap sound, let's say the tap sound. Screen locking sound is not working. Nope, it is not working. Unlocking, locking sound is not working. And tap sound is working perfectly fine, there is no problem. Only the lock screen sound is not working, everything is working perfectly. And dark theme is also working, scheduled dark theme. And brightness is also working perfectly, automatic brightness is also working. Sunlight is also working. And here is the color scheme is also working. Let me show you. The color temperature is also working, so don't worry. And many of the features are working perfectly in this ROM. And full screen display is also working. You can change the gestures also if you want to use it. You can use the buttons or the gesture, whichever you want. Sometimes it lags only. And if I talk about the notification light is also working, and our device is detected in the PC, so don't worry. Battery performance is good in this ROM. I have not fully tested this ROM right now, as I am busy right now because my exams are going on, so that's why I will not able to test the games. I will not able to test the extreme performance. As you can see, my account is also working perfectly. You can easily log in without any problem. You can easily sign in, log out, it works perfectly fine. And if you install this ROM, there is no problem of the DP. You can easily change. DP is accurate, so don't worry. For gaming, MIUI is not recommended, especially the 12.0.3 version. These ROMs are not good for gaming. Else everything features are the same. Now let's check the 3D mark test also. What is the score of this ROM? Is this ROM good? Is the score good or not? And here is the 83,826 score. GPU performance is very low. GPU performance is extreme low, 10,000 only. And here is the memory performance and US data processing speed. 1 point increase in the temperature, 3% drop in the battery, highest temperature 37.7. So else not for gaming. 3D mark test. Let's check the 3D mark test if it is working or not, if it is completed or not. And here is the Slingshot Extreme 464, 73% better than the other Xiaomi Redmi 5 devices. Overall score is 16%. Safety net also we will check the. Let's check the safety net whether it is passed or not. As you can see, safety net is not passed in this ROM. Let's check the Play Store whether it is certified or not. To the settings about, as you can see, device is not certified, Play Store is not certified. So these are the application. As you can see, camera is not installed in this ROM. I have installed the camera, Open Camera and Google Camera. Google Chrome is installed, so don't worry. Play games. Let's check the BGMI performance. How fast is the performance? Is this ROM good for gaming or not? So now let's check the gaming performance. I will set the settings, graphics to balanced and medium. Graphics change. Performance. Let's check the performance. In the starting it will take few minutes to launch your game. This takes a lot time. This ROM takes time to launch the game for the first time. For every time it takes time. And in downloading, and while downloading the maps, it also takes it against reboot. Download again, reboots again and again. Performance is okay, so don't worry. Performance, you can use this if you are not a gamer, then you can try this ROM. But if you are a gamer, MIUI is not recommended. Basically for gaming, MIUI is not recommended, especially 12 point. As you can see, there is a lot of lag. No, not best one. Performance is very poor in gaming. In PUBG and Call of Duty, performance is very poor, poorer than Call of Duty. As you can see right now, it is lagging. No, not recommended. Do not install this ROM. If you like the video, press the like button and subscribe our channel for daily updates.